Well, a good credit score has a major effect on your financial future.
Yeah, the three-digit number tells banks how much of a risk it is to loan you money, and it impacts everything from mortgages to car and school loans as well. In fact, a recent report found that 22% of Americans did not have credit at all, and 11% have a poor credit score.
And joining us now with tips on how to improve your credit is Shazia Virji, General Manager of Credit Services, Credit Sesame. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So, Shazia, I once heard a financial expert say that a high or good credit score doesn't determine success or how much money you may have. So what are we really factoring in here with credit scores?
Yeah, so having a good credit score is really table stakes in today's world. It can impact key decisions such as buying a home, buying a car, renting an apartment in the neighborhood of your choice. It even impacts things like the type of cell phone plan that you get, and even if you'll be hired by the company that you're interviewing for. So it is really important. It is very critical. And I think the important thing to note is that it's never too late to start building your credit or taking steps to improve it.
All right, let's move on to some of the tips you have because I think people want to hear them. You say take advantage of a buy now, pay later, but that doesn't really work for everybody, right?
That's right. So buy now, pay later isn't for everyone, but it has become a very popular option. And many of you have probably seen it when you're checking out at your favorite online retailers. There is an option to pay in installments. So these are short-term interest-free installments. And currently, these aren't included on your credit report. But the credit bureaus have taken notice, and Equifax recently stated that they are going to start including these payments onto the credit report. So it is giving those 44 million credit invisibles. Those are people who don't have a credit history or credit report with the bureaus. It's giving them an entry point into the financial system. So they've previously been locked out of the credit system, and this is giving them an entry point into getting in. So it's really important for those consumers. But like you said, I don't think it's for everyone. For those who are currently struggling to balance their debt obligations, buy now, pay later might not be the best option.
And I feel like I saw that option pop up more around the pandemic when we started seeing it. So moving along, how does not paying your bills on time impact your credit score?
Yeah, I'd say paying your bills is the number one thing you can do to help maintain a healthy credit score. It currently accounts for about 35% of the credit score equation today. And even one missed payment can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years. So not only is it having an immediate detrimental impact on your credit score, it can have long-term consequences and can, determine future financial decisions that you're making. So it is really important to pay your bills on time.
Yeah, they're not joking about that. It's on for 7 years. I'm very aware of it. All right, so you say to get credit on rent payments. How do you go about doing that?
Yeah, so, it's nice to get credit for something that you're already paying for on a monthly basis, which is your rent. And that your rent is typically the largest financial obligation that many consumers have on a monthly basis. And so today and historically, rent payments have not been counted for in the credit report, but we've changed that. So at Credit Sesame and other service providers also do this, but they can take the payments that you're making to your landlord and report that to the credit bureaus so that you're building up your credit and you are making improvements to your credit, because that's something that you're already paying for and you're likely already paying for it on time.
That's a great option. So people can reach out to Credit Sesame to find out more on how their rent payments can go to boosting their credit score. Well, thank you so much, Shazia, for joining us.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.